Hello everyone, good day to all of you and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is coming up from Chettinad region of South India. We are going to make Chukka chicken Chettinad style with this Chettinad masala, which is so flavorful. I have already posted the video how to make this masala at home. You can check it out, make this masala and then try out this chicken. It's a dry version which can be paired with dal chawal, rasam chawal as a side dish, or you can enjoy it as a snack or pair it with dosas, appams, neer dosas or bhakris and rotis, any way you like. So let's proceed to make this chicken. Chettinad Chukka chicken. This is such a spicy and flavorful chicken preparation from South India. You can have it as an accompaniment with your meals or even enjoy it like a snack by itself. For this we'll require chicken. I have taken about 500 grams cut into small pieces with the bone. Onions 2 large, finely chopped. Oil as needed. Chettinad masala 2 tablespoons. You can check out the recipe in the video I have shared already, how to make it at home. Tamarind about 2 to 3 tablespoons as you like. Garlic 1 tablespoon. Ginger 1 tablespoon. Salt as needed. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Handful of fresh coriander leaves. And for tempering, you will need curry leaves about 1 sprig, dry red chilies 3 to 4, Asafoetida 1/8 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, oil 2 tablespoons. Ingredients list is also shared in the description box. Now let's get started. Heat about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Preferably take a heavy bottomed pan. Add the ginger and garlic. These pans take a while to get heated, but once they are hot, the cooking is done very fast. Saute the ginger garlic till it changes the color. Add the turmeric powder. Followed by onion. Now you can see the onions, I have diced them very finely. We have to saute these until they become golden brown. Cover the lid and keep stirring intermittently. It may take few minutes, 4 to 5 minutes, but you have to repeat doing this so that the onion gets cooked and browned evenly. By placing the lid, the vapors will allow it to cook. After a few minutes, you can see the color has changed. It's become golden brown now. At this stage, we are going to add the chicken pieces. You can see the chicken pieces are small, just like we cut them for chicken 65. Now saute them. Add salt. Nothing else will be added now because all the spices are there in this masala. Chettinad masala has lot of spices. Continue to stir until the chicken changes its color. After mixing everything well, place the lid and simmer it for a minute or so on low flame. Continue stirring. Sauteing is very important. Keep flipping the sides of the chicken so that it gets cooked on all the sides well. Now add about quarter cup of water. As this is dry version, we won't add too much water. Now the cooking will be done on low flame. It may take about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the tenderness of the chicken. During the simmering process, open the lid few times and turn the chicken pieces. Flip them so that they get cooked well. A small request to all my dear friends. I hope you have subscribed to the channel. If not, please do that and click on the bell icon so that you get all the notifications about the new uploads. Now check for the doneness by inserting a knife. It needs to be cooked little more. Place the lid and simmer again until it is done. I think this is nearly done. You can make out from the color, all the moisture also is absorbed by the chicken. At this stage, finally, you will add the Chettinad masala. About 2 tablespoons should be okay. And tamarind juice as you like. I am adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons because we don't eat very tangy food. If you like it, you can add little more. Or you can even add lime juice if you want, or even whisked yogurt can be added. Check the salt and adjust if required. The chicken is ready. Looks so delicious and tempting. Finally, add some coriander leaves. Lovely. So flavorful. Once the masala is added, the flavors are coming out. Now we will add the tempering. Heat little oil in a small pan. About 2 tablespoons. Once it is hot, add all the tempering ingredients. Mustard seeds, curry leaves, Asafoetida. When they crackle, switch off the gas and add the dry chilies. We add them towards the end because if you add them in hot oil, they become black. I want to retain the red color. Now mix the tempering in the prepared chicken and garnish with some more coriander leaves. It's ready to serve. Dish it out. This makes a great party snack also. You can serve it as a starter. Do a little bit of garnishing with the red chilies, some curry leaves, and some onion slices or onion rings. Lovely. Chicken is ready. Enjoy. I'm sure your family is going to love this amazing, spicy, delicious preparation. You serve it the way you like as a starter, or pair it with your meals with dal chawal or bhakri, or as I mentioned, dosas and appams. So I'll be back soon with another interesting recipe. Stay tuned. Take good care of yourself. Happy cooking until then. Thank you for watching, and do check out these videos from the archives in case you have missed watching them.